Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oneplus Nord smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can show battery percentage in your phone Oneplus Nord. Battery percentage can be shown in the status bar itself. This is status bar. Okay. If you want to show battery percentage near battery icon here, you can change some settings and then you can have the battery percentage along with battery icon. For that, first go to the settings of your phone. Go to the settings of your phone here and then go to display, then go to status bar. Go to status bar here and now turn on the button again, show battery percentage. Just turn on this button. Now you will have battery percentage here. 62% is available now. So in this way you can easily display battery percentage in the status bar of your phone. If you turn off this button, battery percentage will vanish and only battery icon will be showing here. So in this way you can easily decide whether to display battery percentage or not in your phone Oneplus Nord. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.